Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you magical remedy in just one night. Your hair will become so long, and with this aloe vera oil hair growth, it will grow your hair super long and it stops the hair fall permanently. It's very simple to prepare at home and it's super effective. This aloe vera hair oil, magical my friends. And to prepare it, my friends, we need this amount of aloe vera leaves, and you need to use the aloe vera, the fresh aloe vera leaves, and we need to cut the aloe vera in small pieces like so. Once you cut all the aloe vera leaves like so, my friends, with the gel inside, we need to place them into a pan, and we need to add half cup of coconut oil, or which around 50 ml of coconut oil or nariyal ketel. Now we need to place it on low heat for 5 minutes. Make sure to place it on low heat, my friends, and mix very well. Once you mix very well and leave it on low heat, you need to strain this oil, and then we need to add 2 capsules of vitamin E, and here I'm using 400 milligrams of vitamin E. Now, my friends, mix the oil very well. And apply it on your roots. Massage your hair with it very well and leave it overnight. This will grow your hair super long overnight. Use this magical remedy 2 times a week for the best results ever. Overnight it will grow your hair. Dip in your fingertips and massage your scalp with this oil. Leave it overnight all over your hair, and your hair will grow super long. It stops the hair fall permanently. Very effective. 100% works.